Hey you guys, it's your girl Leandria back with another YouTube video. I decided to do a half cut crease today and add some color.
Hi.
I kind of come here, boo. This is my boo 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 boo. So this is probably the best day of his life. He wants to get his own YouTube channel, and I'm still kind of like, anywho. So yes, I decided to go with this look. I didn't put on any, I didn't use any eyeliner or anything like that, which is kind of different for me. The color is different for me. So I'm just stepping out of my comfort zone. Anyway, so go ahead, check it out and let me know what you think in the comments below. And also like, share, comment, subscribe to your girl if you haven't already done so. I did most of my foundation already. I normally do my foundation first and then my brows. I know I should have waxed my brows, okay? I'm just kind of in between, like if I should let them grow out like they're like growing back in, or if I should wax them and have them like Instagram brows. So I'm just kind of having like a midlife crisis, but for brows, you know what I'm saying? Like I don't know. So I'm gonna let them grow all the way back in and then kind of decide like how I want to do them. So anyway, we're taking e.l.f.'s gel liner and it's almost empty, but I like it this way because it's kind of like, it's drier. So I like dealing with it when it's like super dry because, you know, you have more control that way. Anyway, this is a 266 brush. And I'm really just going over the hair that's there. Like I'm not even trying to like exaggerate the shape. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the color Toffee. So just carve your brows out and then blend it all the way down to cover your lids. Like we're just using that to set the lid and get ready to put eyeshadow on. Okay, so I just set the concealer on my lid with some Laura Mercier setting powder. And then we're just gonna take a skin tone shade first from the Morphe 35N palette and gonna put it all over our lids. I'll go ahead and zoom in so you guys can see. So just press it all on like so. Have a little small matte palette, so we're gonna take this color first. Basically just pressing that all into the crease area like so. Now we're gonna take a MAC eyeshadow in the color Fig 1 and focus this on the crease area as well. So we're just gonna take a fluffy brush to kind of marry the two colors together, if that makes sense. This color, and I don't know what the name of it, but it's like basically a plum color, and we're going to put that in our outer crease area, and basically to kind of deepen up the crease color. Okay, so now the most important part is I'm gonna use NYX eyeshadow primer in the color white to carve out a cut crease, well, kind of semi, like a half cut crease, and I'm taking a flat brush. So this part you got to be like super careful because it's gonna basically make or break the eyeshadow look. So when you're doing this, like, don't breathe, don't blink, don't nothing, okay? So now that we got it carved out pretty good, we're gonna take a Super Shock shadow by ColourPop in the color Banana Jackery. But I mean, honestly, there's nothing banana about this color. It's very, very pretty. It's bomb. So we're gonna take a flat brush and then just kind of add that on. And you gotta add you know, a white primer to give the color like a bright look. So I'm just taking a MAC 242 brush. It's like so bomb. And you got to be really precise with it because, again, this can make or break the look. Really good. So now I'm just gonna take this color and I'm just gonna basically blend the two colors. So just basically get out of my comfort zone. So I'm gonna add some gold glitter to kind of, you know, sauce it up. I'm not gonna use eyeliner today, but I'm gonna use some fluffy lashes. So we're just gonna go over the turquoise color, you know, to kind of dress it up. But I'm gonna do this, but I'm not gonna say anything because you know, I don't want to mess up. So okay, so I did the other eye off camera and now I'm about to add some lashes, and then yeah, we'll go from there. Okay, now I got lashes on and I'm just gonna take a little bit of this color and just put it underneath my eye just to kind of smoke it out a little bit. You know, do our waterline. Just taking a flat brush. I'm gonna do some mascara on the bottom. So I'm just gonna use this, like this little skinny mascara. Okay, so got my lashes on. I put some mascara and liner on the bottom. So now we're just gonna finish everything up. Like I'm just gonna add a little bit of blush. Set everything. Now it's time for some highlighter. Just pressing it in the skin, like not just piling it on like I normally do, because it just looks more like calmed down, if that makes sense. And I contoured my nose today a little bit. And y'all already know what we gonna do for these lips. I'm just going for a nude lip like I always do. I don't want to hear it. This is just my favorite lip combo for the time being. I love nude lips because they go with anything and they just look so pretty. Lip gloss is in the color Spirit by NYX. Okay, so I think that we're done.